Before installation, Floorfixx Regular has to acclimatize for at least 48 hours in its sealed packaging, left in a horizontal position in the room where it will be installed. The ideal temperature for installation is between 15 to 20 degrees Celsius, with a humidity of 50 to 70%. Make sure that the subfloor is absolutely dry and free of dust and grit. Always install a moisture barrier with a thickness of 150 to 200 microns on the subfloor. Leave a 5 cm film excess against the skirting or wall. The moisture barrier joints have to overlap by 20 centimeters or be taped with vapor-proof tape. Floorfixx Regular consists of 2 components, an MDF underlay with insulating lower layer and an upper board. The underlay boards in the first row should always have to be cut through lengthwise 30 by 120. The first half length should be shortened by 30 centimeters, 30 by 90. Start work on the long side of the room by laying the Floorfixx Regular underlay boards with the green insulation layer facing downwards. Keep a 10 mm gap open along the walls, heating tubes or other fixed structures so that the floor has sufficient space to work. Start the second row with the quarter underlay board, 30 by 60. Continue installing the bottom layer in a stretcher bond pattern. Then remove the protective film from the underlay boards before laying the upper boards. Lay the upper boards in running bond pattern. Always start the first row with a whole board. The following row begins with a whole board. After this, lay the third board in the first row. After this, lay half a board in the beginning of the second row. Glide over the Floorfixx Regular with the lightweight roller in order to activate the adhesive layers. After laying the entire floor, roll out with a heavy 50 kg roller in both lengthwise and widthwise directions. Sand the seams to create a perfectly smooth, even floor. Install the flooring within 24 hours and at a 90-degree angle to the installation direction chosen for the Floorfixx Regular. Floorfixx Regular, the dry leveling system. Estilon, fundamental for floors.